At Park Construction, we are committed to building robust foundations and enduring structures with unparalleled expertise. With decades of experience, we offer a comprehensive range of cast-in-place concrete services designed for maximum efficiency, flexibility, and top-tier service. Our full-service solutions cover every stage of your project, from structural excavation and backfill to formwork design and installation, anchor bolt placement, and steel installation. We manage each step with precision and expertise. Our team ensures seamless concrete placement and professional finishing, producing results that stand the test of time. Our dedication to industry-leading standards guarantees that your project will be completed safely, on time, and within budget, giving you peace of mind. Park Construction, shaping the future of concrete, one project at a time.